Welcome back to our YouTube channel, fellow adventure enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of two-wheeled exploration as we explore the 2023 Husqvarna Norden 901 Expedition. If you're a fan of off-road escapades and long-distance journeys, this is a bike that's bound to catch your attention. So, buckle up, or rather, helmet on, because we're about to take a virtual ride on this remarkable adventure tourer. The Husqvarna Norden 901 Expedition boasts a distinctive and rugged design that's all about blending style and functionality. With its tall stance, knobby tires, and bold lines, this motorcycle signals its off-road intentions from afar. The dual LED headlights not only illuminate the path ahead but also lend the bike an aggressive and purposeful look, while the high front fender suggests its capability to tackle various terrains. When it comes to conquering diverse landscapes, the Norden 901 Expedition shines. Equipped with top-tier suspension components, including a fully adjustable front fork and rear shock, this bike offers a plush yet controlled ride on both paved roads and rough trails. The long travel suspension setup ensures stability and comfort, making it an ideal companion for those long-haul adventures. Under the hood, or should I say, under the seat, you'll find a potent 889 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine that's capable of producing ample power and torque. With a smooth power delivery and a hearty mid-range, the Norden 901 Expedition excels in both on-road cruising and off-road challenges. The electronic rider aids, such as multiple riding modes, traction control, and cornering ABS, provide an added layer of confidence and control. Comfort is paramount during those extended rides, and the Husqvarna Norden 901 Expedition doesn't disappoint. Its upright riding position, well-padded seat, and thoughtfully positioned handlebars create a rider-friendly environment that minimizes fatigue on those long stretches of road. Additionally, the adjustable windscreen helps deflect wind and ensures a more relaxed ride, even at highway speeds. This adventure tourer is not just about raw power and performance, it's also equipped with modern technology to enhance your riding experience. The intuitive TFT display provides essential information at a glance, while smartphone connectivity allows you to navigate, control media, and even receive calls without taking your eyes off the road. In a world where adventure knows no bounds, the 2023 Husqvarna Norden 901 Expedition stands as a capable and versatile companion. With its blend of rugged aesthetics, powerful performance, and rider-focused features, this motorcycle is ready to take you on a journey of a lifetime, whether you're exploring remote trails or cruising along scenic highways. So, if the open road beckons, the Norden 901 Expedition might just be your ticket to uncharted horizons. Thanks for joining me on this virtual tour of the 2023 Husqvarna Norden 901 Expedition. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting content about the latest in the world of motorcycles and adventure riding. Until next time, ride safe and ride free.